Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox The Hunt. First, you need to open the Roblox application or website and look for the special event hub. This hub serves as your central command center for the entire experience. From here, you can easily see all the participating games and track your progress. The main goal is to collect unique event badges from various games, which are essential for unlocking exclusive rewards. Each badge represents a completed challenge within a specific game. Once inside the event hub, you will see numerous glowing portals, each representing a different Roblox game. Clicking on a portal will transport you directly into that game, where a unique challenge awaits. To earn a badge, you must complete the specific task outlined within that game. For instance, it might involve finding a hidden object or finishing a minigame. These badges are automatically recorded in your event progress tracker, allowing you to monitor your collection of over 20 distinctive badges from across the platform. To maximize your efficiency, focus on games where you are already familiar with the mechanics, making challenges easier to complete. Pay close attention to in-game hints and instructions, as they often guide you directly to the badge objective. Consider teaming up with friends, as many challenges can be completed faster with cooperative effort. Allocate a specific amount of time, perhaps 30 to 60 minutes, to each game before moving on if you find yourself stuck, ensuring steady progress toward your goal of collecting all the badges. After successfully collecting a sufficient number of badges, which is typically around 15 or 20, you will unlock special event rewards. Navigate back to the main event hub to claim your exclusive items, such as unique accessories or game passes. If you encounter a particularly difficult challenge, remember that there are many community guides and videos available online for assistance. The event runs for several weeks, giving you ample time to complete all the objectives and enjoy the wide variety of games featured in this grand hunt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.